Morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, April the 7th, and Delmer, Sir Charles are with me today. We are over in Dickinson County, Virginia, and we're going to go up through here, kind of go off trail before we get back on trail, and we're going to hike up to the Birch Knob Observation Tower. Which is right off the Pine Mountain Scenic Trail, which straddles the border of Virginia and Kentucky. It's going to be a pretty day. A little chilly right now, but it's supposed to be in the mid 70s before the days, when it gets up around 2 or 3 o'clock. So we're going to get started. A little bit of blow down here. Man alive. Okay, after about a half a mile of bushwhacking from where we're parked, my Daniel Boone-like skills, we have now made it to the Pine Mountain Scenic Trail. We're going to go this way. Should be about 3 miles up to the observation. It's not really a tower. It doesn't have a cab. It's just a platform, level platform. But on a real clear day, which today should be if we get lucky, it's looking like it's going to be that way. We will. You should be able to see 6 states from there. And if you know where to look, and I'm not 100% sure, you're supposed to be able to see all the way up into Ohio. So, like I say, straddles Virginia and Kentucky. So right at the moment, I think we're still in Virginia where I'm standing, but right over there should be Kentucky. And like I say, the trail goes right along the spine of the border of the 2 states. I don't know if this will pick it up or not, but it says killed in a plane crash, August 25th, 1965, Paul Bennett, Dale Coleman, Jack Stockdale, 200 feet below this spot. So right down in there in that swag down there. Did not know this was here. Up here's a look off. We're going to go see, or it appears to be one, see what kind of views we get. We're still probably a mile and a half from the tower. What's it look like, Delmer? Huh?
VM 5 1968. Or 5/19/68.
Yeah. There it is, for what it's worth, what this GoPro will pick up. Big rock facing here, outcropping, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, folks. I'm tongue-tied half the time anyway, but hey, y'all are used to it. But now, let's go down through here and see what we got. Pretty good view. Okay, well, if you can see it through the trees right there's the platform. There's the stairs. I think it's something like, was it 300 and some steps?
I think so.
Me and Delmer were here once. It was back in October of 2015, so that's, what, 5.5 years ago? So I don't remember a whole lot about it. Look at those huge boulders. Absolutely beautiful day. We picked the perfect day to do this hike. Now look, folks. That is humongous.
I don't think that's our last time.
I don't remember. Here's a picture of what the old one looked like with the cab. And now you see it's just a platform. Okay, I'll read it, folks. The Birch Knob Observation Tower was completed in December 2003 by the Clinch Ranger District in the U.S. Forest Service. It is constructed on the same site as the original fire lookout tower, which is up here, right there. Lost my spot. Which was used to watch for smoke from forest fires in the surrounding area from 1964 until its removal in 1978. Near the top of the stairs to the right as you go up are the concrete feet for the old tower. The current observation deck is 3,144 feet above sea level. You'll climb over, it's 180 steps to the top. From the deck on a clear day,
300's over 180.
on a clear day, you can see 6 states: Virginia, Kentucky, West Virginia, North Carolina, Tennessee, and Ohio. The observation tower is now used for viewing the surrounding countryside, occasional smoke monitoring, and bird watching. Hawks and other raptors fly above Pine Mountain, which runs northeast to southwest on their migration journeys in the spring and fall. Birch Knob is an excellent place to be when they fly overhead. It is also a destination on the Lonesome Pine Loop of the Virginia Birding and Wildlife Trail for bird and wildlife watching. Okay, there's some more pictures. Okay, I am out of breath. Still hadn't made it up to the top. Getting close though. If you can make out, over there's the trail. Over there's Kentucky. All that is Kentucky. You got Virginia, North Carolina, and Tennessee all over there. Sorry folks, I'm out of breath. Okay, let's knock this thing out. Good Lord, this is wearing me out. Oh, I think I forgot to mention, this is the highest elevation on the Pine Mountain Scenic Trail. A few more to go. Okay, here we are. Ah, look what they've done, Delmer, since we was here last time. It says Ohio. So out that way is Ohio.
Kentucky and Tennessee.
Yeah, I already pointed out Kentucky over that way. Tennessee, North Carolina, Virginia. I already pointed all that out. Yeah, West Virginia. So I'll go around it. Out that way is Ohio. Out that way is West Virginia. Virginia that way. Tennessee, North Carolina. They didn't have those up when we were here last time. But these trees right here kind of spoil the 360, but
They're taller than what they were.
yeah, 5.5 years growth. Kind of obstructing the view just a little bit. All right, everybody. We're a couple of 100 yards from the vehicle. Man, it turned out to be a pretty day and a hot one too. It may have even got close to 80, I don't know. But had a real good time. Close to 8 miles, and I feel every inch of it. So, as always, thanks for coming along with us. There's another one in the books, and until next time.